Wondering how much money you need to start investing in crypto? The good news, with Luma Exchange, you can start small and grow your portfolio smartly. Many people think you need thousands to start investing. In reality, the right platform can let you begin with as little as $10, $50 in crypto, while still giving access to professional tools. Luma Exchange allows you to copy experienced traders, invest in binary trades, and gain exposure to top crypto assets, even with small amounts, so every dollar works strategically for you. I began with a small deposit, chose a top-performing copy trader, and allocated a controlled portion of my crypto wallet. Over time, my portfolio grew thanks to smart automated strategies and disciplined risk management. To start with any budget, first sign up and verify your Luma Exchange account. Next, deposit any amount you're comfortable with. Then explore copy trading and binary trading options. Start with 1 or 2 traders or trades to minimize risk. Finally, monitor performance and adjust gradually. Small deposits let you learn, test and grow without high risk. Beginners can start small, learn the platform, and gain confidence. Experienced investors can scale strategically while testing new strategies. Luma Exchange adapts to all budgets and skill levels. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify across strategies and traders. Use Luma Exchange's risk management tools to protect your funds. Start your investing journey today, no matter your budget. Hit like, subscribe, and share to learn more strategies using Luma Exchange, the ultimate platform for smart crypto investing.